Welcome to the channel show, folks. So today I'm gonna show y'all something, and hopefully it's a short video, because if it's not a short video, that means I'm having a lot of trouble. I got two ball tires laying here that goes on my 18-foot car trailer, and I want to show you how to change a tire with a 24-inch Pittsburgh general purpose tire iron. I think I gave like $7 for these, $5, something like that. I bought two of them. If you go to buy them, I would suggest buying a third. I have successfully changed a few tires with just two, so we're about to try this. Now, the first thing that I'm going to cheat on that you might not have at home is a way to break the bead. And the way that I've always broke a bead is take a vehicle and drive around the edge of the bead. Deflate this and then lay this on the ground and run a vehicle up on this and curve in. A lot of times it'll break that bead. Me, I'm going to cheat and I'm going to use an excavator. First things first, in most tire kits, like the bigger kits that you buy, you'll get a valve stem remover or a rethreader, and I think this is a rethreader for the inside, this is a rethreader for the outside. Not even sure what that point's for. I don't know, but it's got a valve stem remover on it. So first thing you want to do is take those out. Try not to lose them, they will go flying if you ain't careful. Let all the air out. Put those in a safe place. Tell you what, that is substantially easier than the alternative. Alright, so I got a thing in there with the hook in. There's two different ends on it. There's like a hook and then a point. Get this hook end under there. Might be too much of a bite. But as you're prying on it, you want this side of the tire, the opposite side, to fall in the concave area of the fall in the concave. There's like a concave area in the rim. Alright. Just like that. As you work it around, take that side off. Now, time to do this side. On this one, a little bit more aggravating. Alright, I'm back. I had a phone call there, so yeah. This is going to be the aggravating part, or I've found to be the aggravating part, is getting it, well, outside of, you know, breaking the bead off the rim. This is the aggravating part. Is getting another bite. Once you get this other bite right here, it seems to be alright. If I can screw up and get too big of a bite. Let's try something a little different here. You know, it's gonna fit because it already fit over that other one. Come on. Come on. Well, I thought I was gonna show this. I've done it twice. Told you if it was gonna be a long video, it was gonna be a long video. Don't spit in the garage. These tires are junk. probably help if I had some lube too. I hope it's moving. She's been had now, boys and girls. Ready? Well, there it is. Woo-wee! Now this one gets to go on. One on. Little bites at a time. Basically doing the same thing I did the first go around with the hook, getting it under the rim. Probably the opposite way though. There's that tire. Now for the fun part. So don't forget the valve stem. Put it back in. So you gotta use something good and flammable. This part's the dangerous part. Use quite a bit of it. Before it loses it. And there it is. So there she is. Got the Pittsburgh 24-inch general purpose tire iron. Got them replaced, got them blown on the rim in a very safe manner. Got a fire extinguisher somewhere over there. But do not try any of this at home. I'm just showing you how I do it. There's my new rubber for the car hauler. Just want to let y'all know too, every Sunday at 5 o'clock I have a video, a new video to the channel that is added. And I've been trying to keep up with that, and I think I've been doing that for about 8 months now. So I look forward to continuing making videos and getting more subscribers. I think it's really cool that y'all take your time out of your day and hit, subscribe. I think that's really cool, and all the likes I can get would really help the channel and help the video. So I appreciate y'all watching the Chelton Show and the Chelton Channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.